The Marketplace on BFM 89.9.
Joining me today is the Head of Corporate Communication at Air Selangor, Elina Baseri, and she's here to discuss water conservation and sustainability. Welcome, Elina. Can you share what are the initiatives that Air Selangor has implemented on water conservation?
Currently, we serve 9.62 million consumers in Malaysia's highest GDP region, Selangor, KL and Putrajaya, which is why a sustainable water supply system is crucial. With that, we are focusing on increasing our water reserve margin and reduction of non-revenue water, or NRW, to meet future demands. Increasing water reserve margin, like Rasa Water Supply Scheme, which is expected to boost the state's water reserve margin, will benefit 1.4 million consumers in Klang and Petaling regions in the future. Our NRW is currently at 27.22%, as compared to more than 30% 7 years ago. So this was achieved through many initiatives, such as our pipe replacement program, where we are doubling pipe replacement efforts from 150 kilometers a year to 300 kilometers a year starting from 2024, and 400 kilometers from 2034 onwards. Another one would be the Report Leaks campaign. Consumer can report any pipe leak, pipe burst, meter leak, or illegal tapping complaint via Air Selangor app.
All right. Can you tell us a bit more about that Report Leaks campaign that you mentioned just now?
Sure. Since the campaign launched in August last year, we have seen a significant rise in reports, with more than 50,000 reports as of September this year that have been addressed. It is very easy to make a report. Just go to Air Selangor application, click on Report Leaks, fill in necessary information, and attach a photo or video. Select location, and you're done. This campaign will be running until 31st December this year. So just make a report and you stand a chance to enjoy Touch and Go top-up pen, Yao Yao and Zeus coffee voucher. For more details, just visit hydrohub.aiselangor.com.
All right. Thank you very much, Elina.
You're welcome.
That was the Head of Corporate Communication at Air Selangor, Elina Baseri. I'm Hanif Baharudin from BFM 89.9, the business station.
The Marketplace on BFM 89.9.